Hello students, now we are going to perform verification of Kirchhoff's voltage law. What is Kirchhoff's voltage law? That is KVL. Algebraic sum of branch voltage around any closed loop is always equals to 0. Summation of V is equal to 0, or we can say in any closed circuit the algebraic sum of all applied EMFs is equal to sum of product of current and resistance of each part of the circuit. Okay, so we can write summation of EMF is equal to summation of IR. Okay, that we are going to prove. For that we have this circuit diagram. For this experiment we required one dimmer stat, two rheostat and 3 voltmeter. Okay, here first you have to connect two rheostat in series with each other and connect 2 voltmeter across first rheostat, second voltmeter across second rheostat, and 1 voltmeter across this dimmer stat. First you have to do all the series connection, then put voltmeter across each rheostat and 1 voltmeter across dimmer stat. Okay, this voltmeter measures the total voltage, that is VT, applied voltage, and V1 is nothing but voltage across R1, V2 is nothing but voltage across R2. You have to set the voltage and you have to take the readings V1 and V2, and as per the KVL summation of, you have to observe, we have to verify summation of V is equal to 0 or not, means VT minus V1 plus V2 difference will be 0 or not. Okay, this is your today's experiment. Okay, so let's start. Okay, you required dimmer stat. First terminal of the dimmer stat, which is connected to the first terminal of the rheostat. Second terminal connected to the second rheostat, they are connected in series, and second terminal of second rheostat which is connected to dimmer stat, second terminal. Okay, this is your series connection. This is your setup for KVL. Now here we are using multimeter instead of voltmeter. Okay, so we will take reading one by one. So let's start. Now we will set incoming voltage to 100 volt and we will measure the voltage across resistance R1 and voltage across resistance R2, okay, by using multimeter. Okay, first we will set the 100 volt to the across dimmer stat. Slowly we raise the voltage up to 100 volt. Just we have to keep observing multimeter. Okay, this is your total voltage VT. Okay, now we will measure voltage across resistance first rheostat, that is resistance R1 किती आले 20. Your R1 is 20. Note down that V1 is 20. Now measure across resistance R2. You will get approximate 80.
79.8.
Okay. You have to take 80. Okay. V2 is 80. Then summation of V is equal to 0. Okay. Now we will set incoming voltage 120. Slowly you have to raise the dimmer stat up to 120. Okay. Then we will measure voltage across R1. Twenty-four. Okay, here you will get 95.8. Okay, you have to take round figure 96. V1 is 24, V2 is 96. Difference is 0. Now we will set voltage to 140 volt. Slowly raise dimmer stat. To 140 volt. Okay, then we will measure V1 across R1. We will take 28. Here you have 112. Okay, just 28, here 112. Difference is 0. Now we will set applied voltage up to 160 volt. Measure voltage across R1. We will take 32. and this is 128. Okay, V1 is 32, 128. Difference is 0. Okay, just you have to note down this reading and calculate this and verify this. Okay, hence you have proved here summation of V is equal to 0. Okay, thank you.